Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to activate Samsung's hidden button at the back. Okay, to activate it, first open app drawer. Okay, now in app drawer go to Galaxy Store. Now in Galaxy Store tap on search icon, and here in search type good lock and tap on search, and you can see good lock. And now here tap on install now. Okay, now tap on open. Agree and continue. And now after it you can see plugins. Now tap on plugins. Now here scroll down and you can see register. Now tap over there to install register plugin. Okay, it is successfully installed. As you can see, now tap on register. Continue, allow, and guys, you can see in settings extensions we have back tap action. Tap on back tap action and tap over there to turn it on. So here you can see event detection, notification, double tap, triple tap, gates, and sensitivity. If we go in double tap, here you can see we have many features available over there. Take and share screenshot, access your Google Voice Assistant, start pop-up window, show notifications, show recent apps, back button, open app. So just hope I choose take and share screenshot. If I tap on that setting dialog box, you can also choose share or basic. So I choose basic. And for triple tap, if I choose show recent apps, so now if I double tap, here you can see it takes screenshots, and if I triple tap, it shows recent apps. Here you can see for double tap it's screenshot. If you double tap, it will take a screenshot, as you can see, and if we do triple tap, it will show recent apps. So guys, this is the method to activate Samsung's hidden button at back easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any problem related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget, yes, please don't forget to click on the bell icon for the latest updates.